I am about to unbox my first Boxycharm ever. I know it's taken me so long, but I was so hooked with Ipsy. I recently just paused it for the month of September coming because I just thought the bag that's coming looks really bad. I'm sorry, but yeah. Giving Boxycharm a chance is $25 a month, but I believe you get, is it all full sizes? It's a monthly subscription. I think I'll try to leave the link in the description just in case you want to sign up for it. You can cancel at any time. That's why I'm doing this, because yes, I'm purchasing this month, but I don't know if I'll want it the next. Also just ordered a lower beauty box as well before the price goes up. Thank you to my subscriber for letting me know. The reason why I never got any other beauty subscription box is because Ipsy was the only one that I know that you can customize it to your preferences, makeup like color preferences, all of that, the brands you like. You can take a beauty quiz, and to my surprise I went to Boxycharm and they have a beauty quiz, so I really hope they match this box to my preferences, and that's what we will see today. Before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen's Beauty Style, and let's go ahead and get started. I haven't looked at it at all. I just literally opened the tape. This is what the box looks like. It just came today. See? Oh, look how pretty inside. Boxycharm. Oh my god, I'm excited. I know you guys have like box variations. I hear everybody in the video saying box variation number. Where do you see that? Where can I see what my box variation is? Oh, you guys will let me know. First thing I see here is something from Milk Makeup. This is the Kush Fiber Brow Gel. I'm pretty sure I said I didn't want stuff for the brows, but see, this is in the color Dutch. I can use a fiber brow gel, definitely. This is what it looks like. I haven't tried a lot of things of Milk Makeup, but what I have, I've been obsessed with. Like their primer. Let's just take a look. It's a 0.15 ounce. I can definitely use it. I need it because my eyebrows are like all over the place, even though they're like microbladed and I fill them in with a pomade, but I can definitely use something like to set them. And I do think this is a good color. It's not like you can see it a lot anyways, or it's not changing what I currently have, so I like that. Really read more up on it to see. God, excuse me. I'm used to the Ipsy not having like any information in the pamphlet, so I'm sorry that I just skipped through this, but this retails for $20. It says it's a tinted vegan brow gel formulated with thickening heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp derived cannabis seed oil for long-lasting fullness, shape, and definition. Oh. Nice. So this says Elizabeth Moth Thank Me Later Eye Primer. This cruelty-free primer enhances your eyeshadow and protects your makeup all day. Apply in the morning and go all night along with no worry. This retails for $20 as well, and it's a 0.35. Look how cute it is. I love the color. I have received something else from Elizabeth Moth in the Ipsy box. I'm excited. Look, it's a beautiful light pink. How cute is that? I've been obsessed with like the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer. That is like to die for me. Alright, so it's just like a nice light pink. Alright, so this looks like it wouldn't have any color whatsoever. Feels a little bit like oily. That's weird. We'll see. I'll definitely have to try it out. Let me know if you guys received it and you've used it already. What do you think? But I have oily eyelids, oily skin, so I wouldn't want anything that feels like oily. That's weird. Aesthetica Sunset Bronzer. Oh my god, I love a good bronzer. It's made in Taiwan. Is a 0.29 ounce. Aesthetica Sunset Bronzer is the perfect shade of amber. Beachy glow without even stepping foot on the sand. The rich coppery tone, just the right amount of color for a natural looking tan, and this retails for $24. You're cute. Never tried this brand. Please be a good shade. Okay, and it comes with a mirror. I'm totally happy about this. Let's see how it swatches. It looks like the color will work. Yeah, it looks like this is a good color. No scent, just in case. That looks like it's a good color. I'm excited. I am excited. I'm so happy for that. Prestique Mini Summer Essential Set. What is this? Mini set to get your perfect summer glow in petite mini crayons. I don't really use something like this. Mini set features the best-selling shades of the highlight stick, blush stick, brow pencil, and shadow crayon. The ultimate on-the-go set for the summer adventures. And this retails for $42. See the shades here, which is really cool. This is what it looks like. This is like the highlight. Twist it off, I guess. There you go. I don't know, I might give this a try. I might save it for a giveaway. I have to see. So just in case I'm not going to swatch it, I see myself using this too much. Ooh. Okay. Dr. Brand. This is the Pores No More Purifying Cleanser. And it's a non-drying pore refining cleanser that removes makeup residue and dead skin while helping to banish sebum and decongest pores. Skin feels fresh and mattified without any drying sensation, and this retails for $36. You're getting 3.5 ounces, and this is made in the USA. This, first of all, looks freaking beautiful. I like that it has salicylic acid. I like that it says that it will mattify. Like I just said, I'm very oily, so I'm definitely gonna give this one a try. I've only tried like their primer. Comes nicely sealed, so I'm happy about that. Just want to smell it. Smells like, you know, tea tree and all of that. Love this. I love the packaging. I love skincare. I think it was a good box. My favorite two products are these two right here. Let me know if you received yours, if you've got any of the same things I did. These three are okay. These I'm less excited about. Maybe I will try to keep it for September as well. It's worth it for $25, definitely. Like, we already passed $25 a long time ago. Have over like $125 value here for just $25. So you're definitely gonna get your mother's. You're definitely gonna. Oh my god. You're definitely gonna get your money's worth as long as you're getting things that are to your preference. I don't know how long they've been doing the beauty quiz that you can get it customized, because that's the reason I didn't want to get it before. I just don't want you to just send me anything that you think that I would want and then I don't want, and then, you know. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, I will be also reviewing Allure Beauty when it arrives. Let me know if you have any requests for any other beauty box that you think is worth it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.